What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting the radiator fan on Rango. I got the fan right here. We got the mounting hardware right here that goes directly right to the radiator. Oh shoot, you know, I don't think we can install this today actually. God damn it, I don't think I can. I want to put weather tape on it to help suction air into the radiator. I don't think I didn't pick them up. And I had so much extra time today to do that too. Okay, I might not be able to do this. Alright, well, on that note, listen. The Danger Ranger truck has a little boo-boo. I already got one set right now, but this side, I don't know if you guys can tell, you know, this side. And then look at this side. And then you go back to this side. And it's like, what the hell? Why the hell is that so freaking crimped down? It's because our leaf spring literally collapsed. Literally collapsed, broke, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So I got the new leaf spring. I got one inside the house. I'm gonna get the radiator fan in first, which I don't know if I'm gonna do that today because I want to put weather tape around it just so I know it's like, you know, it will 100% suck through the radiator. But alright, so first thing first, we're going to kind of just check the fitment and see how flat it is against it before I decide to do what I just said. I'm just going to remove, for right now, I'm going to remove this guy here. If I can. Come on. I didn't put you on tight. Move you out of the way. There you go. Right, remove him out of the way. All right. Let's see what you guys see real quick. All right, you guys got a pretty good angle for what, you know, what I'm showing here. So let's see. This is gonna go just like this. Fuse box is over there, so have that go there. And this is how it's gonna go, just like this right here, just like that. So probably gonna put it just like basically like right here, but like mostly in the middle, but a little up, just because it seems like it would be a little better if I did it that way. Weather tape would be actually a pretty good idea. Alright, I'm gonna wait to get weather tape because I think that would be the best bet for this to really get the proper. So what the tape will do is basically seal off the air from sucking this way and make sure it sucks it this way to make sure we get 100% proper cooling, because when you do electric fans, listen, the mechanical fans do a lot better on cooling than electric fans will. Unless you put a lot of money into your electric fan, then it will do a lot better than a mechanical fan. The drawback with a mechanical fan, it pulls back the motor. So that's why you get rid of a mechanical fan, but it does cool the motor off because it spins just as fast as the motor wants it to spin, which then allows it to cool as much as it needs. So that's kind of like the idea of it. But I'm gonna get some weather tape, and we're gonna try to get this thing in. Maybe what I'll try to do actually is probably get some wiring done. So yeah, so we're gonna do it properly. I don't always do things properly. You know, just take the extra time. You know, look, this truck's gonna be going through a lot of abuse. Now, does it really need the weather tape? Maybe not. But listen, if you want to give someone the best opportunity it does to survive, do the minimum it needs. You know, if it just wants a little bit of tape to go around it, and that's gonna help get as much air as possible through that radiator to cool your coolant down, do it, because guess what? It's gonna repay you back in the future. So we're gonna wait to do that. Like I said, we're probably just try to look at some wiring, try to see what we're gonna do, and yeah, probably stick with that for right now. I would run to the store. I would run to the store and get some right now, but listen, I live in the middle of nowhere. It's gonna take me a half-hour drive out there, half-hour drive back here, and guess what? It's an hour out of my day. It's already almost 6 o'clock. It's gonna be 7 o'clock. And then I gotta cook dinner. This, and then, you know, then it's nighttime already. Which I really gotta get some lights for this place. You know, I'm thinking about getting 4 lights to put around. Like, so you go put one there, put one here, put one there. You know, where, like, you know, just that circles the work area, so you can always have light around us. $150 for the ones I want per light, but listen, if it's gonna give you light and it's good light, can't go wrong with it. You really can't. Alright, so let's change of plan now. We are actually diverting to getting this hood off the trailer, which I'll show you in a second, but I gotta get this off first because this is the first important step to getting this off the trailer. So when we go to pick up the engine for the semi, we haven't put it on the trailer. So let me get this off and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. A lot of random things going on right now, so listen, we have a bunch of things to do in such a little time. Craziness happens. So here's the hood. We gotta get this thing off. We're gonna tie some ropes there with a screw there or a nut there, blah blah blah. You guys will see it more in the progress. So I'm kind of just gonna get this thing going, so I can get working on Rango again. Alright, so we're gonna use these guys here. I think I have two more of these too. I'm not sure. No, I don't. I thought I did. But alright, we got two of these guys here. We got this guy's here. So, alright, let's go get this all strapped up. All right, let's see how this goes. Badness, either good is gonna happen, bad is gonna happen, or maybe a little bit of both. All right, guys. So listen, got the hood off, as you can see. She's all off here. Rango. Sadly, we're not gonna do anything with Rango today because it's too late now. He never came over to talk to me, so I was talking to him for a little bit, so you know, it's cool. But yeah, there's really not enough time, and it's getting dark, as you can see, and it's getting hard for you guys probably. Yeah, you guys actually will see a little bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna close out shop. Sadly, nothing much going on today. This video that's actually when this comes out will be the day of. I mean, I'm uploading the night of the day I'm recording this, so that's where we're at, guys. This is like the most updated thing you'll get right now is Rango needs her fan still, leaf spring. This is off. Hopefully the engine's coming Thursday or Friday, so we get this baby running, and then yeah, that's really all that's going on right now. So if you guys enjoy the video, I know it's not. And listen, I know it's not. There's not the entertainment video here, but listen, I kind of got this rule of doing daily uploads by accident, and now I'm kind of just don't want to break that streak. So I'm gonna start counting down. I think this is probably day, what is it, 7? It might be a week actually now that I've been daily uploading. Week, maybe 5 days, 5 to 7 days. So I'm gonna keep rolling with it. I'm gonna keep going with it because why break a streak, right? So if you guys enjoyed the videos, please leave a like, comment down below. Listen, comment down below. I don't know, comment down below what's your favorite car, what's your, like, you know, or what's your favorite dream car, you know, either one. What's your favorite car, or what's your favorite dream car you ever have, or maybe both, whatever, if it's different. So if you guys enjoyed the video, once again, leave a like, comment down below your favorite dream car, subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow dreams, don't let it get in your way, and I'll see you guys in the next one.